Okay, this is the teacher overview for Unit 3, Module 3, Session 4. Today, the students will be looking at the same table that they were looking at yesterday to now determine the times when it would be appropriate to round or estimate the answer as opposed to finding the exact answer to a problem. You will be using a problem and investigation to get there that requires this sheet. It's called Travel Miles Problems. We noticed that all 4 of the problems require exact answers if you're to look at the wording, but you might point out that in problem 2, it asks about how many tanks of gas they would need, so that estimating there would really help the child to know about the reasonableness of their answer. So maybe looking at this as an opportunity to have them estimate and then find the real answer as well might be a good use of this time. Having them explain their answers and explain their thinking. Some kids, for example, might be rounding to the nearest 10, while others are rounding to the nearest 100, and getting information about why they decided to do that rather than always rounding to the same thing might be an important part. You can use all of the strategies that we've been using so far, so finding students who are finding friendly numbers, finding students who are doing the other 2 strategies about compensation would also be a good use of your time. And if you have time at the end, they could go to workplace games, or as we said in the last video, this might be an extension of session 3.